So my name is Pavel Lityaga, and I was doing software engineering, design, and architecture for probably last 15 years, mainly focused on automated testing, continuous integration, continuous delivery, and many other stuff. Meanwhile, being a proud father of a 3-year-old daughter. Okay, so if we want to start talking about the associations that pop into my mind when I think of Java, we should probably start from locating the Java in the world of modern application. And one way to look at that is dividing the application into two big parts. One of them is front end, something you see on the user interface. And the second part, the hood one, is the back end, which is not visible to user, but definitely the larger part of the application in terms of implementation, code, and stuff under the water. So in 2021, on the front end, we have JavaScript, HTML, some native UIs like you have on your mobile phones or maybe on desktop. And on the backend side, we have C++, Python, Golang, and Java, which is probably very big part of that iceberg and likely not visible much from different standpoints. But anyway, once we put Java in some view, in some iceberg, let us look at the skill set, which where is Java in your skill set? So if it's going to be a single thing that you remember from this application, from this presentation, I'd like it to be the following. Regardless what language you choose to learn first, you will likely end up needing learning more languages on the way. So in these terms, your skills are like growing tree. So maybe you have started from Java and you have a backend, but maybe your application wants to have a fancy UI, or well, it's user-facing in the end, so you'll have a front end. Maybe your application then is needed to be deployed somewhere. Your code runs on some hardware, and hopefully that's not your garage, so it's in cloud. So you need a cloud skills as well. The next, maybe your application grows and it should be scalable and should be stable. So you look at architecture, microservices, and again, maybe you want to do an artificial intelligence or machine learning to do some analytics over the data you have in your application. And the funny thing that Java is behind all of those, and it helps you build so-called term full stack. So full stack means you know all of that. And the good or bad news here is, like, if you want to be successful in the industry, you probably have to be full stack, and you should be knowing all of these or most of these areas, and Java, helps you knowing things in every of these items on the tree. Okay, so if I need many languages, why should I start Java, you may be asking yourself? Well, first experience is important in many areas. If you messed up your experience with an ice cream, probably you will be hating it for the rest of your life. And well, the same is with software engineering. As for me, I've started from different language. I've been doing Delphi. This is very old-fashioned thing. Google it if you like. But it was a nice platform. It was, workable. But when I looked at Java 2 years later, like I was pretty experienced developer, two years of production, I was like, wow, that's how you do object-oriented programming, or that's how you do the standard library. That's how dependency management is organized. I was kind of, very surprised on the one hand. On the other hand, well, I've maybe not lost, but I've spent 2 years of finding answers, not the best ones probably. And the Java is well structured. It is thought through, safe, strongly typed, And in some way, platform itself guides you how to do things right, saving you a lot of frustration or, helping leveling up much faster than you'll do with, like I did with Delphi. And well, once you've mastered the basic stuff on the web iceberg, you will probably look at more fancy stuff. And well, probably that's mobile. And in case you didn't know, the Android, I think I saw Android in the Tech Cloud you've formed. It's Android is Java main language. Java is Android main language. And well, distributed systems, again, Java, and games like Minecraft or big data processing or even Internet of Things. All of that is having Java as its foundation. Your perspectives, if you started from Java or if you know Java, not necessarily started, are much wider than other languages. It just opens up many doors at once. Yeah, and diving into new tech, you first time, or even if it's not your first time, you may notice that tooling, by the way, the next word in our cloud, gives you a very huge difference. Like it's like crawling versus flying, with good tooling versus bad tooling. And tooling, I mean integrated development environments, frameworks, SDKs. All of that helps you focusing on solving the business problem, your main task, your main target. And if you don't have good tooling, you are likely to be focusing on standard things like logging, like how do I debug, how do I save stuff, how do I write tests, how do I do dependency management again. This all is solved in the Java ecosystem and in Java tooling. It's top-notch tools without the exaggeration on the Java world. Just look at IDEs. And well, all that I've mentioned is attributes of mature technology that has been around for a long time. Java is 25 years already. And well, Java had time to grow that tooling, to grow that skill set. But what about the modern part? Like, is it really a modern language? And well, I have to say it probably is, since in recent times there has been special efforts to make it more modern, to make it move faster. And one of these is 6 months cadence for major releases. You get new stuff for the language 6 months, every 6 months, guaranteed. So this enables moving features faster. This enables a lot of new stuff in a very fast manner, and allowing to change things fast. Among those are, for example, functional capabilities to the language, like you can do Lambda and higher order functions and so on. You can do the modules were added recently, and many syntax improvements. So it's pretty recent. The other thing about being modern is to have a top efficiency of internal stuff. Like Java Virtual Machine is probably the most efficient one on the market. The garbage collection, this is memory management, is also top level. There is also an indexes of languages showing up that Java is top 1 or 2 of interest in the industry for search and for materials to learn. That said, the scale is our next word, meaning it's the main language for enterprise systems. That means big companies choose Java to solve their critical challenges, the critical stuff for their businesses. And critical means tons of users, very high throughput, huge data volumes. And this is simply tasks that you can't meet, you can't get anywhere else. Like it's like comparing small town stuff with running a huge city with millions of people, and all of them need to be taken care of. And in these terms, Java is a synonym for scale, because it's just the main language for system that scales well. The other thing, probably the most important for the start in programming, is community. Millions developers. This is literally millions. Large projects in enterprise means many people. And if you think of Lithuania, Java community in the world is 3 times Lithuania population. And well, just imagine, like you have 3 countries around to help you with courses, to help to conduct conferences, learning materials. And engineer is always a learner. So having good support and learning is very hard to overestimate. It's super important, especially at start. I'll conclude my part of presentation with big names, just to not to leave the perception that Java is just an enterprise, big world of big businesses. Well, no, it's not so. Java is in a world of fun with Minecraft. It helps controlling Mars rover and some other NASA projects. It does data handling in Wikipedia. It's a lot of technologies, like internal technologies related. Airbnb, Uber, and many other stuff. Maybe you will be working on the next big project with Java on backend, and I could probably put the name of that project on this slide.